you request, I deliver. Judge back by popular demand. Hey you, welcome back to my YouTube. Thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. So glad to have you back with me. Today I am back by popular demand. You, my Brittany fam, have requested that I recreate the look that you saw in my end of 2018 makeup giveaway video. So when you request, I deliver. As you can see, I have already done my eyebrows and I have primed my eyes. So I'm gonna go right in with my eye look before I complete the entire face. Today for this look, we are going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Palette. Please don't judge the palette. It is a little dirty. It is one of my favorite palettes. First, I'm going to transition and I will be using the shade Buns. And I'm using my favorite blending brush to do this, which is the MORPHE E27. I always use this brush to transition, and then I also use this brush to blend out between shades. Next, I'm gonna grab the MORPHE and Jaclyn Hill JH36, and I'm gonna grab the color Mocha right under my transition shade. Now I'm going to take my MORPHE and Jaclyn Hill JH32, and this is a tapered blender. I'm gonna grab the color Jada right into my crease with this shade. I'm gonna use windshield wiper modes to get it in that crease. And the pointy end of this tapered brush is perfect for getting into that crease. Now I'm going to take the MORPHE and Jaclyn Hill JH37, which is a smaller blender, and I'm going to dip into the color Abyss. I'm going to go right into my outer V with this color. Place it and begin to move it in just slightly, not too much, just a little bit of a smoke, and then I'm going to begin to feather it up. Now I'm going to take the flat shader brush from the Crayon Case Pencil in Your Shadow line, and I'm going to go in with the color Pool Party. I'm going to wet the brush with a little bit of my e.l.f. misting spray. I'm going to put it right in on my lid. Back in with the JH37 with the Abyss color and continue to drag it on out. Then I'm going to take a small eyeliner brush. This is the Morphe M160 1/16. I'm going to grab this gorgeous color called Hustle. And this is not a necessary step, but this is what I did to create the look that you saw in that video. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm just going to go right in on that crease and bring it up. And I'm going to stop it right where those beautiful colors meet. Now I'm taking the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH40, more of the color Jada, and I'm going to bring that on my lower lash. And since it's such a dramatic color, I'm not going to bring it all the way in. I'm going to stop it about halfway. I'm taking the Morphe E35. I'm going to grab the color in light. I'm going to use this for my brow highlight. I'm going to use a small angled brush, and I'm taking that same color and I'm going to place it in my inner corner. And now I'm going to complete this eye look with liner, mascara, and lashes. I'm going to complete the rest of my face, and then I will come back on camera to show you the finished look. So this is the completed look, guys. So of course it's not the same exact look as it was in that video, but it is very similar. I followed all of the same steps, but I'm a true believer that no two eye looks are just alike. It's going to be different every time, but I still like this look. So if you like this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments below, hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified the next time that I upload a video, and I will see you guys next time. The giveaway is open. Just a couple more days. Blessings to you all. I will see you in the next one.